light travels.
Yeah.
So what are we going to be discussing today? We're going to be discussing how what travels.
I repeat that.
How first, just this one. How first letter. How what travels? What did we say? How how lights travels. Can you spell lights? Just with one hand. L. Good. L. Go. I. Then comes G. L-I-G. L-I-G. H. Good. L-I-G-H. Final letter is L-I-G-H. T. How light travels. Good. How light travels. So light, just to light is a kind of energy.
Gotcha.
Right? So that's what light is in its purest form. So E-N-E-R-G-Y. So light is a form of fuel, or light is a form of E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Which one? Think about it. Fuel or energy?
Fuel.
No. Which one?
Energy.
Yeah. You gotta listen, and I'll tell you the answers, and then you repeat the answers. So light is a form of energy. It gives off tiny particles called photons, and this is a funny word in how it's spelled, because it's not spelled F, it's spelled PH. So the PH sounds like an F. So the pH in this case, the pH sounds like a what? Like an, find the right letter. pH sounds like an, not like a K. pH sounds like an, what's the right letter? Go. Yeah, you got pH. Okay, P what? Okay, Corey. Focus. In this case, what did I just say? The pH sounds like a go. Find the right letter. pH sounds like a go. Like an F. Yes. That's right. We listen and then we repeat it. So the pH sounds like an F. So photons. So light is and tiny particles called photons. Okay. They are not matter. So they are not matter. So matter is what is the compound that makes up everything solid. They are not matter, but they travel in waves. W-A-V-E-S. So how does light travel? Light travels in go. Find the right letter. Light travels in, what did I just say? Light travels in W. Good. That's right. We slow it down and we get the right answer. W. W what? Find the right letter. Next letter is W. Go. Find it. We're spelling. Yes. Good. A. Very nice. W-A. W-A, what's the next letter? W-A what? Move your arm. W-A, say it out loud. W-A, go, get it. W, yeah, V. Good, that's right. We try not to reach for any letter. We try to figure it out before we start stretching our arm, right? So let's continue spelling waves. W-A-V. Next letter is, think about it first. W-A-V-E. Nicely done. W-A-V. W-A-V-E. Find W-A-V-E. Look what you're doing. S. Yeah. Yes. So light waves have so many photons that you cannot see the individual photons. You cannot see the individual photons. You can only see you can only see the whole. You can only see the big light wave. Okay? So sound waves, unlike light waves, are the movement
This is
of matter through which they travel.
George.
Right? So that's why when you hear a car stereo, it's really loud. You hear the trunk vibrating. You hear the car vibrating because this is how sound travels. So sound travels through what? Sound travels through. Let's try to spell. What's the first letter? Sound travels through. Hold the pencil correctly. Sound travels through. First letter. Yeah, get it. First letter. M. Very nice. Now we get the first letter. Let's keep going. The next letter should be no problem. M. M what? Look, use your eyes and your hand together. M. Come on. A. M-A, nice. Sound travels through M-A. Just one hand. M-A, reach. M-A. M-A what? M-A, find what, look where you're doing. T, yeah. M-A-T. Next letter. M-A-T. M-A-T. Over here. M-A-T. T. Okay, good. M-A-T-T. M-A-T-T. Just one hand. M-A-T-T. What's the next letter? M-A-T-T. We got M. M-A-T-T. What's the next letter? Come on, Corey. Come on. M-A-T-T. Where's the next letter? Get it. All the way up. Look, M-A-T-T-E, and then the next letter is R. Very nice. M-A-T-T-E-R. So, light waves are made of photons, so light waves can travel through empty space. So, sound waves travel through matter, light waves travel through what kind of space? Light waves travel through what kind of space? Sound waves travel through matter. Light waves travel through E. Good. E. What kind of space? E. E. Almost there. You're one off. E. M. E. M. Keep going. E. M. Find it. Just with one hand, Corey. E-M. E-M, what kind of space? What are we spelling here? What word are we spelling? Focus. E-M, look over here. E-M. What word are we spelling? Empty? We're spelling E-M-P-T-Y, empty? Or are we spelling full? Which one? Empty. Okay, so that's right. So then we have the E-M. What's the next letter that we find? If we have E-M, the next letter we find is go. Go, get it. E-M. Find it with your hand. Yes, you're right there. E-M what? E-M-P. Yes, thank you. E-M-P. E-M-P. Spelling empty. Find it. E-M-P. Put this hand there. E-M-P. E-M-P. E-M-T.
Why?
E-M-P. T. Okay, E-M-P-T. Yeah, E-M-P-T. Look, take the pencil. E-M-P-T. M-T. Sound it out? Yeah, yes. Y. E-M-P-T-Y. So light travels so quickly. So when we something travels at the speed of light, That's almost as fast as anything can go. So the speed of light is roughly 180,000 miles in a second. 180,000 miles in a second. Okay, that's how fast the speed of light is. So light travels 180 miles. 100. Light travels 180 miles per unit, or 180,000 miles per MD per second. Which one? Per unit or per second? Think about it, Corey. 180,000 miles per second. SECOND. Let's practice spelling second. Okay, what's the first letter? Good, you got the S. You're very good with getting the first letter. S. And then comes what? S. S, find it. E. And the next letter is after E. S-E. What comes next? What comes next? S-E-C. Or S. I just gave it to you. I just gave you the S-E. C. Yes. Okay. S-E-C. Just S-E-C. 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 Court. S-E-C. Calm down and find the right letter. Oh, yes. Good. Good. S-E-C-O. Then comes what? S-E-C-O. Find it. You can do it. S. Yeah, you got O. And then comes N. Very good. N. And then comes last letter S-E-C-O-N. Find it. S-E-C-O-N. D. What letter makes a sound? What letter makes a sound? Duh. Duh. Show me what letter makes a sound. Duh. Let me ask you what the paper. What makes duh? What makes duh? I or D? Which makes the sound duh? I or D? Mark it. No, I or D? Which one? Which one? I or D? I makes the sound duh. So dog is spelled with an I first. So what makes it sound? What makes it sound duh? D or Z? Choose. D. Okay, so find D. Find D. Come on. So second. 188,000 miles per second. Okay, great. So light travels, you know that light travels much faster than sound. Okay, so light travels faster than sound. And we have proof of this. Let me ask you. Have you ever experienced a thunderstorm? When it's thundering and lightning outside. Have you ever experienced a thunderstorm? So a thunderstorm. Have you ever experienced a thunderstorm? Y for yes and for no. Which one? Y for yes? Yes. Good. So you probably realize that you saw lightning. So you see lightning. Then 30 seconds later, sometimes almost a minute later, then comes thunder. Alright? And there's a reason why. So if you're in the middle of the storm, if you're right smack dab in the middle of the storm, both the lightning and the thunder happen at the same time. They both crash at the same time. But if you're a few miles away, you see the lightning you see the lightning like half a minute from the storm, a minute from the thunder, and that's because lightning, the speed of light, is faster, travels to you faster than the speed of what? The speed of light travels faster than the speed of, what's the first letter? Faster than the speed of, go, use your arm, use your strong arm. Come on. The speed of light is faster than the speed of S. Good. S then comes, come on, find it. S, O, very nice. The speed of light is faster than the speed of S, O, go, find it, S, O, U, nicely done. S, O, U. S-O-U, see, as we're calmer, we are more accurate. N, very nice. And then this one, S-O-U-N. D, good, you got the D. Last time that was a tricky one. Because the speed of light is faster than the speed of sound. So light travels in straight lines. Okay, light travels in straight lines called rays. R-A-Y-S. Okay, straight lines called rays.
Oh my God.
So how does light travel? Light travels in, first letter, light travels in, find it before you point to it, go. Light travels in what? This side, bring it over this way. Light travels in R, good. R what? You're almost there, look what you're doing, Corey. R. Light travels in rays. R-A-Y-S. So how does light travel? R-A-Y-S, rays, or light travels in packs? You choose, which one? Packs or rays? Rays, good. So now we come over here and we try to spell that word. Rays. What's the first letter in rays? R. Yes, good. R. Come on, find it. R. Find it before you put. Yeah, A. R-A. Then comes R-A. R-A what? No. R-A. No. Y. Yes. So we slow down and we pick the right letter, right? R-A-Y. What's the last letter? R-A-Y. Good. R-A-Y-S. And when light hits a smooth, shiny surface, such as a mirror, so hits a mirror, the light rays bounce back. Okay? You see in front of the surface, you see yourself, but you see what is called a reflection. R-E-F-L-E-C-T-I-O. So when light rays bounce off a shiny surface, such as a mirror, you see the future, or you see your reflection. Which one? You see the future, or you see your reflection? Which one? Think about it, Corey. You see the future, or you see your reflection? Listen. When light rays bounce off a shiny surface, they bounce off the shiny surface, and you're able to see your reflection, right? When you look in the mirror, you see yourself. So when you look in the mirror, do you see the future, or do you see your reflection? Think about it. Yes, good. Good. You see your reflection. So light rays cannot turn corners. They cannot turn corners, but so light rays, they cannot turn corners, but they can be bent. B-E-N-T. So they cannot turn corners, but they can be. What's the first letter? Light rays cannot turn corners, but they can be. Find it. Bent. B. Then comes E. Then comes. Yeah, you got B E. So let's finish that word. Okay, we gotta stay on task. B E bent. Where's the B E? What? How did I spell bent? You gotta listen to the information I'm telling you. I wouldn't steer you wrong. B E what? B E not A. No, not A. B E N T. Find the N, and then find the T. Bent. See, if you slow down and you listen, we get the right answer. Okay? So that's when you see a straw in a glass of water. That's why you see it and it looks. That's why you see the straw and it looks like this, right? It's coming down, hits the water, and it looks like off. It looks like it's removed from where the straw actually is. Because once the light rays hits the water, they change directions. And that is called not reflection, but refraction. So moving the light rays, so changing their direction. When you change a light ray's direction, you have party, or you have refraction. Which one? Think about it first. Think about it. Look at both. You have the party, or you have refraction. Corey, think. What did we just talk about? What did we just say? Okay. We talked about the fact that you cannot, they cannot turn corners with light rays, but they can change direction. And when you look at a straw in a glass of water, once it hits the water, the straw can look like it's removed from where it actually is. And that's because you're changing the direction of the light rays, okay? And that is called refraction, okay? Not reflection, but refraction. So when the direction of the light rays is changed, we have what is called a party or refraction. Which one now? Listen, think about it, Corey. Think about it. A party or refraction?
Party.
Which one? I see you looking at it.
Party.
No, what did we say? What did we say up here? refraction. So what's that? Is that silly or is that refraction? You choose the right answer. Silly or refraction? Think about it, Corey. What are we talking about? Are we talking about refraction? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. So you listen, and then you tell me the answer based upon what I have said to you. Okay? So here we go. Switching gears for a second. Switching gears for a second. Let's talk about. Let's talk about the saying. The best laid plans of mice and men oft go awry. So, English language, we have phrases and sayings that have history behind them. So this one, awry. Let's talk about that word. A-W-R-Y. A-W-R-Y. Awry. Awry means to go wrong. Okay, so what does awry mean? Awry means to go smoothly. Awry means to go smoothly. You have 1 minute left. Last question. Or awry means to go. Let's end on a good note. Awry means to go wrong. Which one? Think about it. No, think. Listen. Awry means to go wrong. Okay, so what does awry mean? Does it mean to go smoothly or does it mean to go wrong?
Wrong.
Yeah, so you circle that. Yeah, good, okay. Good effort. Good work. Some good spelling in there. Okay.
Yeah. Well done. Good. So thank you, Matthew. You finished?
Yeah, good work.
Thank you, Matthew. Oh, I see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Come on.
All right. Good work, buddy. There you go.